If you are looking for a budget-friendly flagship killer device in 2026, then I think one of these devices is the best for you. I'm going to show you why. Now, all of these devices are 5G devices in 2026. The smallest among them is the Poco F8 Pro. The Poco F8 Pro is the smallest. Look at it here. You see the screen size is 6.59, followed by 6.67, and the Poco F7 Ultra. And then the Poco F7 here, you can see that is 6.83 inches. So it's the biggest among them. Take note of this. Clearly in screen size, Poco F7 is the winner. Yes, if you look at it critically. Then in terms of weight, you see that the Poco F7 is also the greatest. So it is somehow heavy. Look at the protection quickly. You see that the Gorilla Glass 7i aluminum frame glass back is used in the Poco F8 Pro. For F7, can you see that it's the same thing with the F8 Pro, the protection now? And then for Ultra, there's a little difference here. But clearly, here, there is no winner. Yes, I will still give it to Poco F7. Yes, let's move. The only difference is here is the eSIM in the Poco F8 Pro. Yes, that's the only differences. And then the Poco F7 and Poco F7 Ultra still possess nano SIMs. So if you are looking at this, the only edge here is the eSIM support that F8 Pro has over F7. I hope you are following. Then the IP68, you can see in all of them, they are the same. Yes, they are the same. Based on the category, I'll still give it to Poco F7. Yes. Then look at the screen type, AMOLED, AMOLED, AMOLED. Yes, clearly you can see that. And then let's move further. Look at resolution now quickly. The resolution here, you can see for F8 Pro 1156 by 2510. For F7, you have 1280 by 2772. And then for F7 Ultra, 1440 by 3200. Of course, F7 Ultra is a clear winner, but here Poco F7 comes second. Clearly, you can see the edge that Poco F7 is having already. Then when it comes to the operating system, Android 16, Android 15, Android 15. All of these devices support 4 major Android updates. Poco F8 Pro will get Android 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay? And it will end with Hyper OS up to 6 or 7 or so. While for Poco F7, it will get up to Android 19. So can you see that this Poco F7 is clearly making an edge? For chipset, I know, look at the chipset now. The chipset in Poco F8 Pro is the same with the chipset in Poco F7 Ultra. But look at Poco F7 here. Look at the Poco F7 here. Can you see? Snapdragon 8S Gen 4, 4 nanometer. Of course, you might underrate this, but look at the clock speed. Okay? Look at the clock speed. It's not that bad. Can you see that? Then look at the GPU, Adreno 830, Adreno 825. Of course, there's no more differences here, sincerely. So, based on this, I'll also give it to Poco F7. It's clearly winning. Then, when it comes to the writing speed, this support UFS 4.1, 4.1, 4.1. They are all the same. For camera, this is the only difference is 50-58 for Poco F8 Pro, then 58 for Poco F7, and then 50-50 32. Can you see the differences here? So clearly we see only one 50 megapixel here being given to Poco F7. Clearly here Poco F7 is not being trashed. At least if you are looking for a phone for photography, then automatically you consider either Poco F8 Pro or Poco F7 Ultra. Yes. Then for selfie camera 2020 32, Poco F7 still fighting hard. Now let's come to the Bluetooth version. For Poco F8 Pro, it supports Bluetooth 5.4, F7 6.0, F7 Ultra we have 6.0. Can you see that? Then Wi-Fi, they all support Wi-Fi 7. Yes, Wi-Fi 7. Take note of all this. They all possess NFC and then USB Type-C 2.0. You can see that. Fingerprint, can you see fingerprint sensors? We have under display ultrasonic, under display optical. That's the only differences here. And then clearly I'll give it to either Poco F8 Pro or Poco F7 Ultra. Of course, this is not bad, but it is manageable. Take note of this. Then for charging speed, for Poco F8 Pro, we have 100-watt charger. Poco F7 90, Poco F7 Ultra 120. 90 is not that bad. Look at the pricing now. Look at the pricing. Now for Poco F8 Pro, $642.61. Are you seeing this? Poco F7 $416.65, and then Poco F7 Ultra at $685.00. If you look at the Antutu benchmark score, you will see that the difference is not that much. My verdict, the clear winner here is the Poco F7, followed by the Poco F8 Pro, and then the Poco F7 Ultra in 2026. I hope this was able to help you. If you have any alternative idea, you can drop them in the comments. Let's know what you think about these three devices.